Welcome to this training on managing WhatsApp privacy settings. We'll guide you through steps to ensure your account is secure, covering status updates, profile photo visibility, and more for a safer experience. To start, open WhatsApp and access the settings. On Android, tap the three dots in the upper right corner, or on iPhone, go to the Settings tab at the bottom right. Select Privacy to control your information visibility. Adjust your last seen and online status to control who knows when you're active. Options include Everyone, My Contacts, Except, or Nobody. Everyone means all users can see your last seen and online status. My Contacts means only contacts from your address book can see your last seen and online status. My Contacts Except allows you to exclude contacts from your address book from seeing your last seen and online status. Nobody means no one can see your last seen and online status. It's best to set this to My Contacts or My Contacts Except. For additional privacy, set Who Can See When I'm Online to Same as Last Seen. Now only people you want will be able to tell when you are online. Control who sees your profile photo by selecting Profile Photo under Privacy Settings. Choose from Everyone, My Contacts, Except, or Nobody. It's best to limit visibility to My Contacts or specific exclusions. Control who sees your status updates by selecting Status under Privacy Setting. Options include My Contacts, Except, and Only Share With. My Contacts means only contacts from your address book can see your status updates. My Contacts Except allows you to exclude contacts from your address book from seeing your status updates. Only Share With allows you restricts your status visibility to only selected contacts. Now only people you want will be able to see your status updates. Control who can add you to groups by selecting Groups in Privacy Setting. Choose from Everyone, My Contacts, or My Contacts Except. It's best to set to My Contacts or My Contacts Except to prevent strangers from adding you to group chats. For extra privacy, consider enabling disappearing messages so messages auto-delete after a set period. Select disappearing messages in Privacy Setting and set a time limit of 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Thanks for watching! I hope these WhatsApp privacy tips help you feel more secure and in control of your personal information. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more cyber safety tips. Stay safe, stay secure, and see you in the next video.